Today we will see IDFT through FFT problem. That means x of k will be given and x of n is asked. So x of k is given, we have to find x of n. The formula is x of n equal to 1 by n sigma k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x star of k w n power k n whole star. That means what are the steps involved? If x of k is given, first we have to find x star of k, which is conjugate of x of k. Then we have to find, this is the DFT formula. Usually we will have x of n here. That means it will be DFT of x of n, since we have x star of k, and this will be DFT of x star of k. Okay. Then the third step, after obtaining DFT of x star of k, third step we have to take the conjugate of the answer. That DFT of x star of k should be done through FFT only, because the problem is IDFT through FFT. Then finally the fourth step, divide the whole answer by 1 by n. So if you have 8 values here, you divide by 1 by 8. Okay. So if x of k is this, first step is x star of k. That means where an x star means conjugate. If minus j will become plus j, this minus j will become minus j, and plus j will become minus j. Write that. Real part will be as it is, as you all know. Then the second step, DFT of x star of k, we have to obtain using FFT. FFT, as you know, you have two methods. One is decimation in time, another is decimation in frequency. Here we see decimation in time. I have done using DIT. Okay. So here, what are the steps? DIT, first is bit reversal, 0426 1537. Okay. So x star of k, from this is 0, 1, 2, 3. If you want, you can write down. So x of 0, then x of 4 is 0, x of 2 is 0. Write that and fill it here. Okay. I did not teach you how to draw this butterfly structure. You can see that in the previous videos. Okay. So this is a plus b, this point. So 12 plus 0, all that stuff you know. 12 minus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 minus 0, and see the imaginary part. So far we have seen only real part as input. A plus b. So 1 plus 1 will be 2, and j 2.4 minus j 0.4 will be j2. Clear? Then, and this point is a minus b. When you do minus b, 1 minus 1 will be 0, and this minus will become plus. So j 2 point something plus j 0.4 will be j 2.828. Similarly, calculate this. This is a plus b, and this is a minus b. Then the phase factors. Then output of the first stage multiplied by the phase factor will get the input to the second stage. 0 into minus j is 0, and this j into minus j is minus j squared, which is plus 1. So plus 1 into 2.828 is 2.828. Clear? Then again this one is a1 plus a2, and this is a1 plus b1, sorry, and this one is a2 plus b2. This is a1 minus b1, a2 minus b2, which is 12 minus 0 is 12. This point a1 plus b1. So when you add this, imaginary part gets cancelled and you have 4 here. Be careful while adding this, a2 plus b2. So write the real part first and then the imaginary part. That will be good. Again this is a1 minus b1, and this is a2 minus b2. So here also first write the real part and then the imaginary part. Okay, second stage is over. Then multiply by the phase factor, we get the input to the third stage. This one do this using calci complex mode. You will get answer something like 3.999. Take it as 4 and get the input to the third stage, and the last stage you know how to do it and get the answers. 4 16s followed by 4 8s. So this is capital. I have written here x of 0, but actually this is the answer for DFT of x star of k. Don't write this x of 0. Okay, x of 0 till x of 7, don't write that. Okay. Now DFT of x star of k, we keep it as L and write the answers. 4 16s followed by, I could have written that instead of capital, it is not x of 0, sorry. This L, capital L of 0, L of 1, L of 2. Okay. Just some assumptions. 4 16s followed by 4 8s. Then what are the third step I told you? The third step, the whole answer, here take conjugate. Conjugate means you will get the same answer only, because everything is real parts. And final answer, the final answer we take it, a final step is divide by n, which is 8. So when you divide the whole answer by 8, 16 by 8 is 2 and 8 by 2 is 1. Okay, so this is the final answer. 4 2's followed by 4 1's. Previous videos, this was the question and this was the answer we got. Now it's just the reverse, because this is IDFT through FFT. Okay, take care, all the best.